In this video, I'm going to show you how am I able to book these many bookings inside my web design agency where I'm making £12,000 or $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And I'm not just saying that I make money. As you can see, these are my actual clients inside my agency, and all of them are monthly recurring revenue web design client. What I mean by this, it's all of these are website hosting, all of the 97, and I have 497, 197 and 297 clients inside my agency where I get these payments are not just for once. I'm getting paid every single month with each and every single client. Getting straight to the point, my entire business model is I find businesses who don't have a website, I give them a free website. It's not free and it's not going to take you more than 5 to 10 minutes to build this website, and I give this website to clients and charge them the hosting fees or the automation fees on the back end. The hosting fees is going to be the 97, the automation fees is going to be like 197 or the 297, and everything including the reputation management, that's going to be 497. And I make use of this white label software called Go High Level, and that's the reason why you are seeing my logo instead of Go High Level's logo. And if you do want to access this, I do have a 30-day free trial, the first link in the description. If you make use of my link to sign up to Go High Level, you get all the access to the systems and the funnel, which we're going to see, which have got me lots of booked meetings and clients just with the help of the system. And you get to have the system if you sign up to Go High Level with my link, first link in the description. And this is what I usually do. If I'm delivering a service to a client, I go inside a website, click from template and click continue. And this is where you get to access the entire list of website templates, all the niches and all the industry. For example, let's pick any of it. And for example, let's see this website, which is pressure washing website. And this is an actual well-built website. And when people think I'm selling a templated website for free in exchange of hosting fees, they think it's not going to look good. Look at this. Look at this website. All of the agency will charge these clients with this exact website for minimum 1,000 to anywhere from 5,000. And you're coming in and pitching a free website and you're delivering the free website just in the exchange of the hosting fee. Right now, this website has a placeholder logo, and all we need to do before going inside the meeting, you go inside Canva and search for pressure washing logo. And there you go. There are lots of good looking logos. I like this one, but technically, this is not a pressure washing, it's a car washing. If you want a pressure washing, you can choose this one, and you can just change the car washing inside instead of pressure washing, and put your client's company name inside the car washing. Download this, download this logo without the background, and go inside the preview website and paste it on top of the website. So inside the call, you will mention that this is the website I've built for you. And when the clients see this well-built, good-looking website and their own logo on the top, if they actually have the logo, you don't have to build the logo, just copy the logo anywhere from their Instagram, Facebook, or Google My Business page, straight away slap it on their preview link. And when you show this website with all the information and the logo, they are going to love it. If you want to copy paste my entire system just by one click, the system which I'm personally using to bring in $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue every single month, and I'll be teaching you how to outreach the client, how to close the client, and how to deliver the service as quick as possible and start stacking your monthly recurring revenue. And I'll even jump on the weekly coaching calls to answer all of your questions, and I'll help you to get more clients in a matter of days or weeks. You don't need to figure out what to sell or who to sell it to. everything is done for you. If you just want to copy my entire system and start making monthly recurring revenue, then click the first link in the description and you will get the entire system totally for free. And if you want to see all the sales call, which I've done this exact strategy so you can learn how to sell to clients, I do have all the sales calls inside the community, which you can get access to by the link in the description. So that's all you have to do. And before giving the website, I do another stuff, which I upsell the clients with a 5-page website. As you can see, it does have 5-page home, about us, service, contact, and get code. So you also have these pages built inside the template. You don't have to build anything from scratch. So I tried to upsell them for a 5-page website, but if I couldn't, I said just sell them the free website, get the 97, or if I could sell the 5-page website, I charge them $1,000, which I get the first 50% upfront, $500, and second 50% after delivering the service, along with the hosting fees. And only after getting all these things, I connect the domain name and make the website live. Trust me, this is what you should do. Only after getting paid, you will even touch the website. So since we have seen the service delivery part of the website, it doesn't matter how good of a website designer you are. This is the easiest part, like delivering the service. Getting clients, that's the hardest part. So as I promised, this is the funnel which I use to get these many bookings with the help of this exact funnel. And everything which you are seeing inside the screen is built for a reason. Grow your business with a free professional website. So I've just showed you why am I delivering the website for free. For example, if you're a business owner, ask yourself, if a guy is pitching you a $1,000 website and another guy is pitching you a free website and he mentioned he already built this website, which you're going to choose? Obviously, the free website. So that's where it's going to be it's a simple business. At the same time, it's a strong it's the strongest way to build a monthly recurring revenue. For example, right now I am in Bali and I'm traveling. So I don't want to be like stressing about how am I going to get another client the next month. So that's why the free website model exists, and that's why the free website model is the best way to increase your MRR, the monthly recurring revenue. And inside the video, I'm mentioning why am I doing this for free. And I've explained like, okay, I'm going to give you a free website now, but if you need something in the future, that's going to be paid. So that's where I make my money. So this is an excuse to show them that how I am making money and why am I giving them for free. You know this and I know this. We are making money from the hosting fees, but the client doesn't know this. So from my client's perspective, I'm trying to build my portfolio. I'm giving him a free website so that I can get some paid work in the future. But I know that I'm going to get money from the hosting fees. And yeah, here it's all the text you're seeing here. Everything has a reason. It's time to grow your local business. And this is showing their pain point and giving them a solution. Did you know that potential clients are 80% more likely to buy from you if you have a professional website? So these statistics are not just some words I pulled out of nowhere. It's an actual truth. And that's because your website builds trust, shows credibility, and proves you are serious about business. And again, if you are someone who have a business and you doesn't have a website, how are your clients are going to book a service with you? It doesn't make any sense to not have a website. And that's the exact reason this business model works. It's not just a web design agency. It's a website agency where you get to have unlimited monthly recurring revenue clients. Unlike the AI or SMMA or SaaS, people want this. Not all the businesses want AI chatbot. Not all the businesses need to run ads. Not all the businesses need a software, but all the businesses need a website to sell their services. So it makes sense to go in this path, and instead of building a custom build, You're just giving a free website that's going to take 5 to 10 minutes. Custom build takes like 6 or maybe 2 to 3 weeks. It's not a good thing, and you have to deal with the client. It's a headache. But that's a problem. Hiring a typical web design agency costs anywhere from $3,000 to $17,000. Yes, it's true. And we think that's crazy. It is crazy. Not all of the local businesses have that much money to spend, but they have 97 to spend on their business. And you can even mention, you can write it off on tax. Instead of paying for the tax, pay for this hosting fees, which is going to help you bring more money. So it doesn't make any sense not to pay for the hosting fees and get the free website from the client's perspective. That's why at Design Lab, which is my web design agency name, we're offering a fully designed, high converting website completely for free. And this is my portfolio, all of my website I have done for my clients. Website built 100 plus, average cost 3,000 to 7,000. Our fees, 0. And this is my actual client's testimonial. Obviously, if a client watched this testimonial, they are gonna love working with me, because the only reason she gave me this testimonial because she loved working with me. And yeah, these are all of my other testimonial. And yeah, this is kind of like a strategy while showing how much they have to pay for another agency. And when they work for me, let's say example, development, 2,000, optimization, 1,000, and that's going to cost you 4,000. And when you work with me, that's going to be 0. And you need to hear this. If your business doesn't have a proper website, you're already behind. Study shows your business is more than 80% less likely to succeed. If the lead couldn't find you and couldn't book a service with you, your business is gonna run its course and die. So that's the only reason you need to have a Google My Business page and a website if you are a local business owner. Social media profile like Facebook and Instagram alone just don't cut it. In fact, business that don't invest in a professional site fail 8 times faster than those that do. It's true. I'm not just making this to make a fear of missing out, but this is truly happening with all the businesses. Business owners who are adamant on not changing their way, they are going to lose. And here we have the calendar booking link. So this is like everything has a reason. We are slowly walking them. First, why it's free. Okay, and makes sense. And second, why should I need a website and why should I work with you? Answered. And yeah, I don't trust you. Can you show me your past websites you have done? Bam, done. And yeah, anyone can throw their screenshot on the screen. Can I see some actual people's testimonial inside your agency? Bam, done. And all the other reviews over here. And we have clearly showing their pain and why should they work with us. And by the end, once they are in the rabbit hole and after increasing their trust one by one, and finally they are on their booking link. And this is where they select a date and book a meeting with me, and they will show up over here. Again, everything is handled inside Go High Level, inside the software which we are delivering to our clients. So you can also make use of this inside your own agency to get more clients and more bookings. And this exact funnel, again, you can have this funnel, good, but if you don't do outreach, there's no point of having this funnel, because if clients doesn't know you and they're not going to click this calendar booking link out of nowhere. So we have lots of different outreach strategies inside our community where you can get access to it inside the link in the description. And also you'll get access to this exact funnel where you have the entire flow. You can also copy my video script, which I'm not going to play you right now. Get this template by joining the community and watch these video, make your own video, put it on the top, and I will let you use the entire script, and I'll also give you this canvas template where you can just slap your own screenshot. You don't need to have your own portfolio of clients. You can just make use of Go High Level's pre-existing templates. Just get the screenshot, put it on the Canva, change the logo, and put all the screenshot back on the template. And yeah, you have to fake it until you make it. That's what I did. I had lots of fake website I've done for my business, but I've exchanged all of those to the actual client. So you have to fake it and get the actual clients, and replace the fake reviews and testimonials with actual reviews and testimonials. That's how you win. And you have access to this calendar. Along with this calendar, we have the backend automation to send 3 different messages and emails to your clients, because it's not just about booking a meeting with you, they have to show up on the meeting. So to increase your show up rate, I do have automation where it sends messages on a day before the call, 3 hours before the call, and 1 hour, 10 minutes before the call. So if you have this everything set up, a proper service where you are delivering a free website in exchange of a hosting fee, and a proper structured outreach strategy. We have Facebook group outreach, Instagram DM outreach, cold calling, cold walk-ins, and outreaching with the help of your friends and family. And I'm working on another long videos. Right now I'm traveling at the moment, so I'm bulk shot all the videos, and I'm scheduled throughout the week. So when I get back from my travel, I'm gonna start making more videos, and hopefully after watching all these videos right now, you would have got some clients, and I would be happy if you start getting clients with the help of my videos. And when I'm back, I have a surprise gift for you guys. Yeah, stay tuned. And if you wanna watch that full depth video where you can get access to everything for free and start getting more clients, subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and I will see you guys in the next video after coming back from my trip. Peace.